It doesn't matter what CRM you're using right now. This is very, very relevant because when you want to close 10, 20, 50, 75, 100 deals a year, the same things are going to come up over and over and over and over again. CRM automations, right? When you're managing a volume of leads and you want to have a higher than 1% conversion, which is the National Association statistics, right? When you want to have a higher conversion, then CRM automation is really going to be required, right? I've been talking about this topic for years, right? And I have gone through about 10 different systems. I built them myself. And the keys that have always been missing is a step-by-step framework, right? And the step-by-step framework is something that you would want the automation to be doing for you, right? What am I talking about? A skill that you have to master is actually getting what you do into the automation so that it's repeatable and scalable. So that it comes again in multiple layers, right? So you have to understand the basics of the technology, the tools that it offers, but then layering in what it is that we do and use their tools to replicate it, right? Again, so this is a complex topic, but again, if you want to come and join in on my master classes, I'm coaching a lot of people and they're having huge success in getting this implemented into their system. So you might need some help, and that is okay because this is not buying and selling a home. It's taking our experiences and leveraging technology to bring them together so that we have more time, we can close more business and build our dream life, right? So the skill is understanding what it is the technology does, but the most important thing is how to strategically use it and have your plan so that what we do over time is repeated, right? So that's really what CRM automation should be doing to help us manage the volume of leads over time. And so I have built a blueprint that in a framework that can help with that. How do I take my real estate, my strategy and my plan, and then insert the technology, and how do I run my company from it, right? How do I have standard operating procedures? Those are things that we have to learn in the category of CRM automation and the skills that it takes to wrap our hands around it and make it work. How to manage a volume of leads using your CRM really is a very important part. But for myself, I'm currently using kvCORE. So when I use that language, know that that's because that's what I'm doing day in and day out. And if you already know that I'm helping people know how to crush it with kvCORE using my $1 Million Lead framework, then you already know that I'm using this language. If you don't know anything about that, and you already know that you're going to want to learn more from me about that, I want to make sure that you know right away that in the description or in the bio, depending on where you're looking at this, there is a link to my free masterclass, right? And it is about how to master your database and make your millions. So make sure that you come and join that, where you're going to get more details from me in about 90 minutes together of CRM and how to make it happen like you've never seen. So if you want to see 18 years of automation in one place and how CRMs are designed to be worked so that you literally can live a smarter and not harder lifestyle, come and visit me there.